Hey guys, welcome to this playlist where I share Windows tips, tricks, and shortcuts. You can find the whole playlist in the description below. And well, let's get to it. So today we're gonna talk about how to take a screenshot on your Windows PC. It's actually pretty simple. You just have to find print screen button on your keyboard and just click on it. You have this option. You can select a specific rectangular area, a freeform mode or window mode, or simply a full screen mode. Like you got a full screen screenshot over here, and when you click on that again, you can get anything you select to have as a screenshot. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy, but as a bonus, if you're an AMD user, you just have to go to take a screenshot or Control Shift I, and guess what? Your screenshot is saved over here as well. So it's pretty easy, pretty simple, and that's it for today. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one.